back home, y'all. I'm back home from Alabama. I did it. I stopped by. There's some stuff I bought. I went to Dollar General and got when I was in Alabama. I bought some paper towels, some toilet tissue. Me and my mom went to Dollar General yesterday. I got some soap, some Dove soap, and I bought these to put in the toilet. And yeah, I stopped by my daughter's house. My baby daddy made some rice and peas and oxtail. I don't eat oxtail, so he just gave me the gravy. He makes some good Jamaican food, y'all. He is Jamaican. He makes some really, really, really good Jamaican food. So he know I don't eat oxtail, so he just gave me the gravy. My mom saved me all the almonds out of these mixed nuts. So she know I only like the almonds out of here. And that's it, y'all. I'm about to take me a shower. It's 12:47. I made it back at 10:30. I made it back to where I live at 10:30 this morning. I left Alabama. Well, I got on the interstate at 6 o'clock this morning. I stopped, got gas. Got gas. Then I hit the interstate about 6. Came straight through. I didn't stop, y'all. I just came straight through. So yeah, I'm about to straighten up a little bit, and I'm going to bed, y'all. I'm tired. I've been up since like 3:30 this morning. Y'all know I don't sleep good at night. I be up like I'm at work. So I was up for a long time. So I'm gonna go to bed. Yep. I was just checking in, let y'all know I'm back. You guys enjoy your Sunday, the rest of the week moving forward. Oh y'all, let me tell you before I get off of here. So G gave the dog away. No more Papa. He gave him away. It hurt so bad, y'all. Makes me so sad because I'm not a dog person. I like dogs, but I just never been, you know what I mean. And I got attached to him, y'all, and he been in our life for like 2-3 years, probably, I think. Was it 3 years? 2 or 3 years, y'all, and it hurts. It's so sad. I did get to say bye to him, but yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you that I'm really sad about that. Really sad about it. So yeah, y'all. Let me get myself together, put this tissue and stuff up, and I'm going to bed, y'all. I'm gonna take me a shower and go to bed. Oh, and my mom didn't come back with me. I came back by myself because she was like, I was just there Thanksgiving. I'm like, girl, we are in June. Are you serious? Okay, y'all, so I'm going to end this vlog out with a review that I'm doing for a company by the name of Neporal Magic Pro. Okay, they sent me these bulbs to review. They come in a set of 2. They are remote controlled. They are also touch control. They come with a portable hook, and they are dimmable. Okay, they do not have to be plugged up into a socket. They don't have to be plugged up into any lamps or anything, you guys. As long as they are charged up, they will work. Okay, just keep them charged up just in case your power goes out, anything for any reason. You can still use these. They are portable. Like I said, I would probably use mine in my coat closet because I don't have a light in there or in that area, so it's always pretty dark in there. I usually use my cell phone light so I can see inside of the closet, so these come in handy for me. So yeah, guys, I will leave the information down in the description box below, and I will put the discount code across the screen. Now, this code is only good on Amazon for 75 days, you guys. So go ahead and order yours now. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I see you all on the next one. Bye. Space